If you see the warning saying unable to mount USB device file system in your Tesla, the car is trying to tell you that the USB stick used for dashcam, sentry recordings, and some other stuff in your car is not feeling well. This is the USB stick or hard drive connected in your glove box. Sometimes the problem is with the formatting of the connected device. Even properly formatted USB sticks or hard drives can lose their settings sometimes and may require reformatting. The first option is to format the USB in the menu of your Tesla. You just go to the controls, then the safety tab, and then press format USB. If this format USB button is gray and inactive, you may try manual formatting. You will need EX, FAT, MS-DOS, FAT, ext3 or ext4 formats, not NTFS. Then also create the base level folder with the name Tesla Cam. Insert your formatted USB drive into the glovebox USB input and check if you don't have the error message anymore on the screen. Unfortunately, these USB sticks or hard drives that you use for writing dashcam videos won't last long. Every memory device has a certain limit of writing cycles, and if used for dashcam videos, the memory stick will have to get a lot of data circulation at all times you drive your car. So once every 2 or 3 years, the memory stick will have to be replaced. You may buy the OEM Tesla stick, but it's actually just a Samsung memory stick that you can buy cheaper in any online store. Whatever memory stick brand you choose, make sure you buy a high endurance type of device because simple cheap sticks won't last even 1 year.